What's cooking, guys? Welcome back to Carte with Alex, where I'm helping you cook up quick, easy, and delicious food one plate at a time. And today we're going to be making pasta in a pan. Let's get cooking. To cook our pasta in our pan, we're going to need a pan, of course. And the great thing about this is that it doesn't matter how much pasta you put in there. So you just go ahead, add your pasta to your pan. So you can just do it, as long as your pan can hold the pasta, that's about as much as you need. You can do more or less, whatever you feel like. So now that we have our pasta in the pan, go ahead and add water. The amount of water that you want to add is enough to cover the pasta, but not enough to overflood it. You want to just cover the top of it. There we go. And then make sure you add a nice, generous pinch of salt and let that cook. Okay, so once most, if not all of the water has been evaporated from your pan, that's how you know your pasta will be ready. But make sure that you are always tasting your pasta to see if it's done. There we go, perfectly al dente. It's a great way to do pasta. I love it because you can put it in a pan and then you can cover it with your sauce and you're ready to go and you don't have to worry about it. And it helps just kind of alleviate having to pour all that hot water out. Or it's nice because you can save a little bit of this starchy water that's here at the bottom and use it for your sauces to kind of help thicken them up. It's a fantastic way to do it. Kind of a cool little trick, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that like button down below. Make sure you guys leave a comment. Let me know if you've tried this before or other ways that you guys cook pasta. But make sure that you guys subscribe so you never miss a video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you're staying full, staying healthy. Bye, guys.